Hey, hey, what did happen? I say some of my married woman them her market who they breathe. Now in this man don't go cancel a wedding. He want do why wedding in a woman only because say that woman come on for Edo State, Benin Edo. That man cancel that wedding. Man and woman wey they don't work all their life together, they don't already make am. Now they say no, make they go ahead, make they do white wedding. They don't finish traditional wedding. They say make go do white wedding now. They reach for the day for do that white wedding. The man, rather than that, the man discuss and say na Benin Edo woman. Mama Pino fit talk. But na the story that I meet always. Hey! Who they breathe? Wetin dey play? Una some married woman dem. Make una can answer the question. Una shift una chair una come. When Mama Pidi tell una anytime, say do your thing for yourself. Take and say the man dey or you no dey, you know say ahead. Una say no, I don't suffer me and you. I meet up here no begin nothing. I suffer me and you. We must quiet together. We must live together forever until Jesus come. You lie. Until mercy find you. Oh, Edo woman, Benin State. The man cancel that white wedding. When person cancel wedding, me say wetin? He don't cancel the marriage now. He don't cancel the marriage. When me say there are some things, some of you women, una dey hide them for una man from day one. Una dey open up for show una self. Whether if the man want una for that condition, may take una dey hide them. Una say una hide by fashion for inside basket. When I don't marry, una keep one. As if when I'm married, there's any law say una no fit separate. Who dey advise una out of experience? What you dey hear, what you don't see. But Papa they used to tell we say, where they fit see, where they should not that even if you climb a tree, you no go see am. I remember pay the advice na every day for a year. Una always say, I suffer me and ye. I meet up here not get nothing. Leave that one. Why you pity yourself? That man that you got. You don't even know say sometimes that man not be your destiny helper. Not be that man that way God be move a rib, he make you day. Because of blindness, foolishness, blind love, you go be you and that man. Well, not be now the will of God for una two for be together. God is still prepare you to connect you to your right man. We will start enjoying what is called marriage. What marriage is all about. You begin to see the beauty of marriage and the sweetness of marriage when connected to that right man. But when something like this turn out so that you can connect to the right person, may that man go to the right woman, may you go to the right man, you know, start crying. As for me and you, I do so. That because I know little or not about the things of God. The ways of God is not our ways. Anything will happen for the planet Earth, God have a reason, sister, brother. He said the thought I have for you is of good, not of evil, to carry you to the expected end. So he no go give you a stone in the name of bread or snake in the name of fish. He go always do good things for you because he love you. So whatever it happen, take it easy. God want to do a new thing in your life. Why would I cry? Everybody no must marry. Everybody no must be for money house. That is life for you. No matter how you try, we will still get poor people for society. We will still get women that no marry for society. Now they understand how they talk. So now they talk because this woman now so tell you just come and one quiet safe. Because say they don't talk say they no marry say again. But my advice on some women, the one that they talk the truth for the man from day one. Because I believe say this man don't discover something where do man no be tell you. Now make it to cancel the marriage. So please, women, some when I try to open up for una men them, when I still there for that fiancé stage, so that if the man want go in fine, you want go, he may leave you. God go connect with another person. Mama, people see you guys again. Share my video, guys. Please share my video to go viral. To go viral, please. So that I can get more engagement and more followers. To cash out this money. This money, I need it. Because I want to fulfill my purpose on this planet Earth. And I can't do it without you guys. Mama, people see you again. Bye-bye.